Hello traders, this video is made by the CScalp team and today we will talk about what the volume amount is, how to set the volume in Luts, and how to set the volume in dollars. Operational volume is the amount of the market's instrument in the trader's order. If trader puts an order for the 1 lot, that means his operational volume is a 1 lot. Trader's work is putting orders in the orders book. The operational volume is the volume which trader has to put. The volume can be $1 for the beginners, for pros, for example 1000 and more. The operational volume is measured in lots. The lot may contain 1 unit of the instrument or it may be more than 1, for example 10, 100, etc. CScalp has the hotkeys in the lower left corner area to manage the volume. This is where is situated, we mean the area with the volume, and go to the settings, hotkeys, and then we see hotkeys of the operational sizes. These hotkeys can be changed. Why do we need an operational volume? Traders in CScalp put an order quickly in one click. The trader doesn't need to spend time entering the volume for each order. Trader sets up size once and then CScalp automatically inserts these sizes in the order. You may configure 5 operational sizes. CScalp puts the operational volume which is currently active in the order. The active operational volume is highlighted in color. As you can see, we have selected the first operational volume, the second, the third can be selected by the hotkeys. And we see it's highlighting at the time. And as I said previously, CScalp puts the volume which is active right now. I mean, if we select the first volume, we put an order with the first volume. If we select the second volume, we put an order with the second operational volume. You also may switch your current operational volume by the mouse clicking, or you also can use the hotkeys. By default, these keys are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From top to bottom, you may see a number of the operational sizes. Operational sizes are set separately for each trading pair. Each trading pair has its own size. How to set the operational volume in Luts? To set the operational volume on, click on the corresponding rectangle in the lower left part of the order book. You may edit an operational value. Your mouse pointer is in the rectangle. If you move the mouse pointer, editing becomes unavailable. To set the operational volume, you need to click on the volume, make sure that the mouse pointer is in the rectangle, then edit it, and then move the pointer outside the rectangle, and our volume has changed. Now we can use our operational volume in orders. How to set the operational volume in dollars? On some crypto exchanges, the operational volume can be set in dollars. This can be done for such trading pairs that are quoted in the US dollars or stable coins to the US dollar. Currently, you may set the operational volume in dollars on the exchanges Binance Spot and Binance Perpetual Futures for the instrument and with USD, USDT, USDC, etc. To enter the operational volume in dollars, use the hotkey. By default, this is hotkey E, but we can check it. Go to the settings menu, hotkeys, on the market view, mode, amount, calculation, and USD. What should we do to switch lots to USD? Move your mouse pointer to the order book, press a hotkey E, and now we can see that next to the sizes area, dollar sign is appeared. Click on the operational volume which you want to set in dollars and enter the dollar amount. And for example, I can set $150. Then move out your mouse pointer and CScalp automatically converts dollars to lots. The operational volume always converts to lots. It's really important to know the exchange accepts orders only in lots. CScalp converts dollars to lots at the spread price. Why do you need multiple sizes? The trader doesn't make trades on a random value. He calculates the operational volume which is dependent on the size of its account and risk management strategy. When the trader changes the operational volume, that means he managed the risk. If trader sees the entry position but he doubts a little, he enters the position with a small amount. But when a trader is confident in the situation and ready to take risk, he will increase the volume of the order. So we can work with the forced volume amount, but if we're really confident in the situation, we may increase our volume. To make this, switch to another bigger volume amount using a hotkey. And that is all, guys. We figured out what the operational volume is. We have learned how to set the operational volume in lots and dollars. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, press thumbs up, write comments, and goodbye.